Roll on.
It'd be cool if
Oh,
this.
good.
Oh, oh,
Your emergency flashers are on. Because it's emergency, you got your flashers on.
I was about to say the same thing.
That's what you do in emergency. Put flashers on.
Yep. Wee.
This stuff is slick, especially them leaves right there. It's slick.
Yeah, I noticed that. Them the leaves and the pine needles on top of that sandy stuff makes it a
Yeah.
lot more slick. I think that's one reason why I like it out here, opposed to Missouri too. Is just because it's even the average riding is like more difficult. And it feels like after enough time here, I'm going to be like twice the rider I was whenever we had him out in Missouri. Off the beaten trail.
Be careful there, Crash. Crash Bandicoot.
that's what I was gonna say. I didn't figure Dad would make that reference.
Well, I don't know why I thought of it.
Did you put your sender back on? You recording again?
Yeah. I
Okay.
remember you guys playing
Oh.
that game.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I definitely played some Crash Bandicoot back in the day.
I
We
just
didn't
thought about
we
something.
weren't really
My phone's in my saddlebag. I might have to check on that sucker.
we weren't really a PlayStation household though. We were mostly Xbox or old PCs.
I mean, we still had a PlayStation and stuff.
Whoa, that's soft. There's sand right there. Soft sand.
Because then we have like what, PS1 and a PS2 original
Well,
Xbox.
we had a PS2 eventually. I don't remember us having a PS1.
I
'cause
thought we did have a PS1.
I remember at first we didn't have a PS2 because I had to go over to Steve's house to play PlayStation with him, and I go over there to play Grand Theft Auto because Dad wouldn't let me play it.
Yeah.
This one dead ends somewhere. I'm sure it shows on the deal. We're at the end of it. We're past the end of it now.
We're gonna come around to the
It
bottom
almost
of that
feels
hill.
like it's looping around.
Probably come back around to that other trail. We'll come back around to the bottom where Kevin crashed off camera. We'll see if we can get it on the video here. If Scotty caught a little clip of it, but he went down this trail, which is a goat trail, and not even a single track motorcycle trail, and there's a minefield of little boulders like this right
They were
here,
loose
pretty
on
much
the
like
ground.
that, and he went down hard.
And they weren't dug into the ground at all.
That's probably about the fastest I've ever went down on a bike. And I don't think I've ever went down while going downhill like that either. That's about my first time. Oh, there's a little camp spot right there. That's kind of neat.
Yeah, this is a not bad trail. It's not even on the map. We're off the map.
Little creek through
That's the
here.
best trails usually.
It is.
Looks like there's a dead end loop right here, maybe.
It's looking that way.
Oh yeah, look at this camp
Yep.
spot.
Dead end at a
right
camp
down here.
spot.
That's a big old fire pit. They got plenty of wood.
But this is a good spot. You won't have to worry about most people coming out in here.
Now wait a minute, I think the trail keeps going right there between those boulders.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, there's a trail there.
Hey, my name is Honda Trailblazer for
Yeah,
a
that's
reason.
true. Well, there's a trail there because 100 years ago a cow went down through there and made a trail.
Oh yeah, hold on. Give me 1 second. Just to make sure. This is why I put it.
Ain't like it matters now.
This is why. This is why I put it like in with my hoodie. I was making sure because my screen is already cracked, so don't.
Oh, I think you cracked it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
See, you'd never notice a crack if it had one.
Well, I was just trying to make sure it didn't finish my phone off, you know,
Oh,
or my screen off.
that's what I was saying. It ain't like it's going to matter. It is
I
what
mean,
it
it doesn't, but I'd rather just go ahead and check.
Because it's going to bother him the whole time.
Exactly, because I'm gonna be like, is my phone broke? Is my phone broke? Is my phone broke?
Going up these rocky areas is getting way easier.
Yeah. It does. It
Yeah,
gets to where you don't think about them as much.
it's
Yeah, I
going up
just
them that's
kinda.
easy. Going down them's hard.
Well, it is when you don't know how to brake, like an idiot,
Like Kevin.
like me.
Oh.
No.
I thought
Well,
you were
I
talking
thought
about
I
him.
thought he was talking about me
No, I was talking about
until
me
he said
because
don't know how to brake, and then I was like, oh.
Yeah. No, I meant like I don't know how I keep braking wrong.
Well, see, Kevin was braking, but he was trying to use his fenders and his spark. I mean, his
I was braking, but
handle.
I was trying
Yeah,
to use my face.
he thought his clutch
No,
lever might work
Kevin,
digging into the ground.
I'm telling you, we would have had clip of the year if you would have stood up right after that and said, "Luckily, my neck broke my fall."
Yeah, no doubt. There's a loose spot. Well, that wasn't a bad little loop anyway.
Oh, they're nice. Like, all this stuff out here is surprisingly good riding.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's crazy how much we found out here already, just going off a few little trails. I mean, everything we rode today is only off one little offshoot.
Right.
that's what I was saying earlier. I mean, other than the fact that I miss like the like some of the normal like dirt and whatnot. Out here, I honestly think that I like the riding better.
We going over
Also
that
be-
way?
No, I don't think it goes anywhere, but you
I
know
don't
how
think it
that
does, but
goes.
let's check it out.
It goes to
You
this
never
big
know.
jump that Kevin's wanting to jump.
Dad's acting like he
He's
knows.
going to act like Jet Lawrence.
Man, if I had an actual dirt bike, I'd jump that sucker though. Look at that. It comes off perfectly enough to jump.
And there's that old water pipe everywhere out here. Camp spot there. That's for people in them Honda Civics.
Yeah.
They can camp out here. Well, it is, Scotty. I mean, I'm just telling
I
you.
didn't disagree.
Yeah, I'm just saying, you know.
I agreed sarcastically. That's
Yeah,
different.
exactly. This must be the end of it.
Doesn't look like the end of it to me.
Well, might not be.
Remember when I said that?
Yeah, don't listen to Kevin. Don't listen to Kevin when he said the trail must go home. I have no idea where I'm going here. I'm just going.
Yeah. This is
This
a little
feels like
bit
this
wild.
feels like it leads over to that part where we.
I don't think we're on
turned around
actual
last
little
time.
trails anymore.
We're just riding around an open brush that looks like trail. You're just picking paths, Scotty.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying.
We're just out in the brush.
Yeah.
Trailblazing.
Them clouds up on them mountains up there. We could get in some rain.
It's bound to happen eventually.
It ain't gonna make me mad. But it's
Cool you off.
cooled down now anyway.
The rain would be better for the terrain.
Oh.
I figured that was going to happen backing up that fast.
Got your camera on?
Yeah, and I'm sure glad that I didn't follow you up there because I was going to follow you.
Well, my problem was I tried to stop at the top so I could see over.
Yeah, and I was going to follow you up there, so I'm like, I'm glad I didn't follow you because I was going to wait till you went over it.
I was trying to stop at the top so I could see over. And well, you can't just sit there. It's too steep and loose
Yeah,
gravel.
as soon as I saw you hit a certain speed coming down the back, I knew you were going down. There wasn't a stopping that.
I there for a split second I thought maybe
Like-
he'll save it.
Yeah, there was a maybe, but I was pretty scared.
Yeah.
Hey, like I sat back, sat up, and just looked at you like,
I know. Dad just looked back like a kid lost in
Yeah,
the mall.
Cause something like that, you could have easily broken your leg.
what happened? Broke my leg. Heck, I didn't do nothing but slide back.
Slide back, but that bike almost slid onto your leg, is what I'm saying.
When in doubt, gas it.
Oh.
I mean, that's how you could have saved it. Probably instantly start it and try to, as you're going back and down, or hit the gas a little bit, stop yourself.
I don't know about that. Roll on.
It'd be cool if
Oh,
this.
good.
he said, roll
What
on.
the heck?
Did you get that on camera? he said, roll on, Chris.
Are you recording again?
Yeah,
I
he's
am.
still recording.
I can't believe I just did that. Well, no, I stuck my foot there and I caught a rock between my foot and my peg and the rock. And good.
Oh, don't tell me you're not recording all that.
Yeah.
I feel like that was planned.
It looked like it was.
I ain't never gonna plan to fall.
I'll
That
tell you
was
right now, Dad's
stupid.
changing his channel to a comedy show.
Ain't no doubt.
Now that we have all three of us together, it's like the three freaking stooges.
That's what it is.
That's what it feels like.
He didn't even
He
move
said-
an inch.
It was just funny because what he said, if he wouldn't have said anything, it wouldn't have been that bad.
Yeah,
But he's
he
like,
said,
roll on.
Roll on.
got-
That was
hey,
some of the funniest
hey,
crap I've ever seen.
Hey, hey, what you guys laughing at so much? You're not supposed to laugh at your dad when you're down and hurt.
I'm laughing at the fact that you're almost as dumb as I am.
Oh my God! Hey, I raised you.
I know, that's why I'm so dumb. You should feel bad for me.
So you
I
did catch
see that rock.
You're
Well,
gonna have a hard time picking a clip for the intro. You're just gonna have to do like a montage.
yeah, I put my foot
You gotta
down.
do 1, 2, and 3.
You can
Yeah.
see the scratch on the rock.
Yeah.
And I put my foot down, and that stupid thing caught my foot under the. I didn't know the rock was there. Stupid.
Hey, we could call this day Wreckfest.
Yeah. A reckoning.
Yeah.
I reckon we could.
Yeah.
Jeez.
What you should do for the intro? Careful.
He almost fell off getting on.
Jeez. Shut up. Okay, and I'm gonna try to take off here without falling over again.
This is what it's
That
all
was
about.
freaking hilarious. That was
This
the
is-
funniest crap I've seen in a while.
Oh, it actually was funnier than heck.
Yeah. It was
Man, I
almost as
think
funny
that's
as the
probably-
rain.
I think that's probably like the funniest thing.
Well,
Like,
see, Kevin's
ever.
crash wasn't really funny. I actually thought he might have been
Oh,
hurt.
yeah.
I didn't think that
My
was
crash
funny.
wasn't funny because I was worried about my bike. I didn't want it being hurt.
Heck, would you buy? I was worried about you. I don't
well,
know why.
I instantly knew I wasn't hurt. I
'Cause
mean, I think you never
didn't
never
feel
know
the pain.
because you never know because of adrenaline. That one time I wrecked my 230 on that paved road, I didn't feel it till like 20 minutes later, and there was a hole in my knee the size of a golf ball.
Yeah, sometimes that happens.
Well, see, while Kevin was crashing, I was like, oh, crap. But as soon as I saw him walking normal, like as he came off it, I was like, oh, okay, he's fine. He just bad bike movement. Because the bike made it look a lot worse than it was.
Yeah, and I don't remember how I flipped. It happened so fast.
Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. Definitely for more comedy shows and dual sport riding on the Honda CRF300L dual sports. Subscribe down below. Click that bell icon so you'll get a notification when I'm being stupid. And I'll get y'all on the next one. Right
Roll
on.
on.
Roll
Oh.
on. Yeah,
Crash your junkers with
roll
us.
on. See y'all.